Isoko man, greetings to you, everybody. Some days ago, I come online, I come see somebody post when he say, if we go fit get Isoko WhatsApp group, my brothers and my sisters, now I come make I tell us so. Say, we get Isoko WhatsApp group in case you no know. Isoko WhatsApp group dey. Me of Lefle Romote, I create Isoko WhatsApp group. The name na of Lefle fans, but na Isoko WhatsApp group where we take dey learn ourselves Isoko. Na Isoko we dey speak for there. In case you no know, you wan know something, abeg how dem dey talk this one for Isoko. If you ask am with English since you no know how to speak am for Isoko. If you ask am for English, we go use Isoko take tell you. Say na like this you go talk am how you want am. See so thing when you talk for English, so na like this you dey talk am for Isoko. In case of next time say you wan sabi how to speak am. How dem dey call this kind thing for Isoko? Na there you go ask, dem go tell you. Na like this we dey call so thing for Isoko. Na like this we dey speak Isoko. Na like this Isoko tradition dey. Na like this Isoko culture dey. Na so here Isoko fan. Anything wey you want, whether na Isoko music or na there you ask, dem go send you Isoko music. Everything wey we dey do for the group na Isoko. Wetin no be Isoko, we no dey put am for the group. So Isoko WhatsApp group dey my brothers and sisters. Na there we dey catch fun. Na there we dey, we dey sing, we dey zosia, we dey give story, we dey do many things, we dey learn every day for there. So if you dey interesting, you fit chat me up for WhatsApp. Make I add you to the Isoko WhatsApp group. So if you are interested, my brothers and my sisters, make we join hand together. Make we move Isoko go up. Isoko no me ora. Wajo mako magbe re ma Isoko na baro. Otare woloro tare weven wobi kumakubo maivo. Ukoko ina no maro na mabijo Isoko uro mama Isoko na. Wasakero mevi wasako kere. Beku wekugbo. Ugruwo na. On 090 65 32 9464. Ogolie Izi Ogolie Ezeza Iso Esa Ive Izi Ene Ezeza Ene. Whatever you so me ver eve WhatsApp. Mereti fio we fio. Ubruona. Isoko wado.